Hello everybody and welcome in today's video from Ford factory. This plant is special to me because there is so many working women. As you can see, they do same job as men. But of course robots do most of the tasks in this factory. Production of the Puma started in Romania in October 2019. The 2022 Ford Puma will replace the Indian-built Ford EcoSport and is based on the new Fiesta floor pan, but it is not built alongside the smallest Ford at Cologne in Germany. Instead, it's bolted together in Craiova, Romania. The Ford Puma is a subcompact crossover sport utility vehicle marketed by Ford since 2019. It is considered an equivalent of the 7th generation Fiesta. The vehicle is only available for the European markets, with sales starting in Europe from 2019. In the European market, the Puma is positioned above the EcoSport and below the Cougar, also called Escape outside Europe. A new age of hybrid electric vehicles is here. Ford Puma offers a choice of advanced new EcoBoost hybrid options, delivering impressive fuel economy and noticeably lower emissions than other non-hybrid engines, and all with no compromise to its outstanding, fun-to-drive performance. In a further step, the EcoBoost hybrid powershift option is an advanced 7-speed automatic dual-clutch transmission which offers a smooth, seamless, less demanding drive, particularly in stop-start city traffic. Not only great to look at, but clever too. The Ford Puma cabin wraps you in stylish design and refinement, while a host of clever features and innovative technologies puts you in complete control. Connect your Puma to the Ford Pass app to unlock even more smart driving features. Modern living often requires an inventive approach to how you occupy space. With uncompromised rear load space capacity, the Ford Puma embraces this way of thinking. Aside from stylish flair and commanding presence, Puma's beautifully sculpted exterior is balanced with thoughtful functionality, delivering real versatility within the details of its design. So now you can see last part of Ford Puma production. The train will deliver cars to the final destinations for sale. This video footage is about car development. Car clay modeling is best way, how to imagine future looks of the car. So if you have any questions, just write me comment. Thanks a lot for your time, and see you next time. Bye.